Hey guys, I want to do a quick review for you on this Hanna pH tester. It's really important to know the pH if you're growing indoors, which I do. So I like to keep my water, balanced for my plants. So this does a really good job at helping me do that, and it's really super easy to use. I mean, as a simple on-off button, hit the button and it turns on. And you know, just put it in your water. Now the only thing I'll say is sometimes it takes a few minutes to let it get acclimated. So you just let it sit for a moment, and if you can see the numbers change, I think I checked earlier, and this is just tap water. Um, it should be somewhere around 8.1 or so coming out of my tap. City water um, typically has a range of 6.5 to 8.5 or something like that. But if you want to adjust your pH and have this checker, it's really easy, right? You have your put a drop in a little bit, changes it a lot. You can also kind of use it as a stir stick, right? And you can see just that one drop in this bucket here. I mean, it's knocking me down. I'm at 7.1 right now, so it's actually a pretty good pH for this particular, you know, amount of water. So, said anybody looking to manage their pH in their water for their plants, this is really easy, and I highly recommend it.